Hi everybody, it's Summer Bozohora here from Body, Mind, Soul Coaching. I've been asked to give this video because a lot of people ask about the ego and how can they get out of their ego mind? How can they have less control over their lives? And so this video is a little snippet from an Inside Out group session that we did where there were some pretty profound questions and answers about the ego and soul and how Inside Out actually changes that relationship from the ego or the logical mind being in control and trying to manipulate things to be a certain way and shifting that so that the ego, the mind, the logical side is actually the one that is in service to the soul, to our higher wisdom and knowing rather than the other way around. If you appreciate topics like this, I would love it if you clicked the subscribe button below. Doesn't cost you anything, takes you less than half a second, and it helps immensely.
When I look back on my life, the times where soul has been speaking to me and I've just been pushing it down, those are the times where I've had trouble and I've had pain. And I realized that it was my ego that was stopping me exploring all the things that I'm exploring now. And I'm becoming to recognize the parts of me that I had no idea was there. I think you have to get to the point to be brave. You have to be brave to trust. Ego would say to me, you stick to this, do this. Now I'm sort of questioning my ego and thinking, okay, I can listen to you, but I'm not going to do what you say. I'm not going to do it.
In Inside Out, that's what we're doing. I see my logical brain. I see this stuff. I know it's there. It's not going to be in charge. Excuse me. Time out.
Yes. Exactly.
We're going to get information from this source, and then we're going to take the information from this source, my soul self, and then I'm going to give it to you to implement in my daily life.
Yes.
That's the way this relationship's going to work.
Yes, and I can't say any other word, but I love it. I absolutely love this because it's opening me up so much where I've been so closed off to parts of myself. It's incredible. Before I would say, no, I'm not going to do it. And that's the ego. No, stay safe. I just want as many people to know that you don't have to be afraid. You can tap into yourself anytime you want, and you will gain such insight.
This video and the process of Inside Out is based on my book, Soul Side Out. If you want to learn more about how to have your ego in service to your soul, and the healing that takes place when we use Inside Out to change this relationship, book your free 45-minute breakthrough call with the link below. Thanks for watching.